Hey guys, it's me. It's a sad video though. It's a sad video this time. I was looking at some pictures of animal abuse and it's not pretty. And we want to tell you that people out there, there's going to be like some sort of link below to see if you can stop animal abuse when we get home, because I don't know any websites about that. But seriously, guys, if you know anyone who does that, stop it and click the like button to stop animal abuse and subscribe. Like, I'm done with it. I love animals, guys. Here's a page for like the news. I don't want to see or hear anything about it because we saw stuff. And now we are going to show people that what you have done. We're going to talk to the President of the United States of America, even if it's a Donald Trump. Ugh. The best duck face in the universe. Donald Trump. I'm voting for that guy that's going for that saving Israel. Hillary Clinton? Because he's the Christian looks like. And Israel's God's chosen country, y'all, for Rizzo and a sheep. Yeah. Wait, what? A sheep. A sheep. Israel's God's chosen country. Yeah. And lands sheep are. Oh, yeah. So anyway, guys, we'll see you later. Sheep. We're going to be doing challenges later today or tomorrow, okay, guys? We'll see you later. Bye.